Do you know many people are having trouble with pairing their MET a Quest 3 headset? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 1. Open the Settings menu on your MET, a Quest 3 headset. Step 2. Find Wi-Fi option. Step 2. Find the Wi-Fi option within the Settings menu. Step 3. Toggle Wi-Fi 1. Step 3. Toggle the Wi-Fi switch to turn it on. Step 4. Activate pairing mode. Step 4. Ensure that the Wi-Fi is activated for pairing mode. Step 5. Follow instructions. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Step 6. Complete pairing. Step 6. Your MET, a Quest 3 headset, is now paired and ready to use. By following these steps, your MET, a Quest 3 headset, should now be successfully paired and ready for use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other META users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.